pick up first beads. Second beads on the cuticles, same thing, you can repeat it the same thing. If you do all 10 nails, you can do 10 nails, like finish his whole nails in one design first, or you can do all 10 nails, the colors in chrome, and then you can go back and do the ombre, either way. And if you want, just don't want the chromes only, you can do like others glitter on it too. It's gonna look really great as well. Great. And I'm gonna do is the crystal clears and cap right between the nude colors and the blue chromes. Great, so then let's do this on the sides and do the last one. Now we have another one, there are two more I think. And the pinks right here. Yeah, I'll do that. You can do nude, or also you can do, like, maybe I should get the other pink too. I'm sure it can't hit. I have a number 29B that I'm gonna using it for the next nails. And the powder. This is the powders from Chisel Nail Arts. So, but if you have something similar, feel free to use that. Great. So I'm gonna clear 29B. If for a lot of beginners, if you are not sure and you're afraid of you might able to like getting too filing too much on the cuticles, you can put a layer thin coat of clear powders. I think it looks great. It doesn't hurt anything, so then that way you can feel really unsure when you're shaping and filing. You're not gonna remove a lot of your powder off. Great. I'll be right back. So I have the pink, the 29 pink, a little bit more pink, so it's obviously it's not gonna be in like the nude colors. We'll see how it turn out. You know what? I might do a yellow one though. Looks good to have the yellow on it. Supposed to be nude, but I changed my mind. You can do yellow and green on this one. Looks great as well. Oh, I like that better. Really nice. I like that. Great. So clear. I'm gonna blend this on a little bit more. And put the clears, so then you can cap the ombre part, so when you're filing them it's not gonna easy to come up, or you worry about it's gonna be accidentally come off. I would say suggest for a lot of beginners, so many questions too, you can work with the smaller portion. You don't have to be rushed to do like one beads to make it look perfect. Like you get one beads because it's really hard for you. If you have a smaller portion, you can control easier, better than you doing it like one bead, just for your preference. Great, so I'll let this one set. Move all this away. Let me see, I like the yellows and the pinks a lot though. And this one's it's okay, but I'm gonna bling it out with different colors. And it's gonna look so shiny when we get back into the top coat and everything.